guys. Okay, this is very exciting because this is something that we've never done before on this channel. Gucci haul! No, I'm kidding, but I really did get sandals. But the reason I got sandals is because what do you need when you're going on a trip? Rash cream for my thighs, but what else do I need? Comfortable shoes. Okay, so let me spill the tea on this series. I'm almost 30. So the squad, I hate that I just said that, has never traveled before together. We've never like gotten on a plane or gone out of town. We kind of just do everything in my house because I don't like to leave my house. But then I got an idea and I got so excited about it that I decided to book us plane tickets. And they have no idea what's going on. So I want to keep this whole thing just a surprise because honestly, I don't even completely know what's going on. But I do know this. Everybody's on their way. We are leaving to get on a plane soon. And I have a feeling that this is going to be something that I'm never going to forget. And I cannot wait. I'm also going to hide Ryland's fanny pack. I just don't want it around me. Actually, I could put my pills in there. All right, we'll bring it. Squad!
What?
Are you guys ready?
Can you take a picture of me and Cheeto?
Did you pack?
Oh,
I have all I need right here.
kind of.
That's me in every situation. Oh my God! Come in! I got so scared. I saw a homeless person at my window. Oh my God, hi! Did you guys pack?
Well, yeah, but we don't know. So there's a situation, you just said pack, and then we don't know where
Oh,
we're
and
going.
then you started packing all the food.
No, we don't know where we're going or how long I packed for, but I got it back.
Wow. That's so crazy that you went to a museum, found an old dead person's bag.
This is my favorite bag. I got this when I was 17. It was $230.
You're my favorite bag. I got you when I was 28.
How many days did you pack for? That's what I take to Target.
Thank you.
How long were we really leaving for?
I'm going to explain all of that right now.
Does this mean that we don't
Andrew? We're not going to Coachella!
That's a bummer because I just got an invite VIP, 2 people, and a hotel room. Oh my God, is that the surprise?
I have
a free
outfit
room.
ready.
JW Marriott's waiting for me.
We're not going to Coachella! If JoJo Siwa's there, if Danielle Bergoli's there, then yeah, we'll change our plans.
I think they should have Tana headline.
Holy fuck.
Santa coming through with a forecast.
I would actually be there like, right this second.
I'ma make it rain on your girl's ass.
What?
I don't want to sit on the couch. I don't want dog hair on my pants that I just washed.
Sit on this little lap.
Garrett, I will break your lap.
Why is it 0 degrees
There's
in here?
already so much dog hair on you.
We just get consumed by dog hair.
You can hear the couch and it's like.
Okay. Ew, yeah, wow.
Everyone clicks away. This is so gross. Why am I watching this?
Is that the live stream of Tana at Coachella? I'm kidding! Oh my God, I love her.
Ooh, this some good tea, bitch.
So here's a plan.
Wait, I don't hate my legs right now.
Oh my God.
What's your tea, girl?
Sorry.
Okay. So, here's the situation. I'm not gonna tell you where we're going, and I'm not gonna tell you what we're doing. I want this to be a game.
I already hate it. Let's go. Bye.
You guys can guess what we're doing, guess where we're going, but I probably won't give you any answers. But I will tell you this. We're going first class!
Are you serious?
Yeah. Get more excited. It was very expensive.
Did they give you free snacks?
No, this is not a brand deal.
Oh, I thought they give you a meal.
They also-
Alright, we're gonna be living.
Can they, and I'll say, when the flight attendant comes up to me, I'll say, oh, put oil on me.
But okay, so
And then she'll go, it's already there.
some first classes are pretty janky though. Like, is it?
Island!
Last time we flew first class, there wasn't even a TV.
Well, you're gonna complain.
Oh my God.
I'm just asking, no, is this like the pod experience or is it like the no TV sad experience?
Oh my God, you were asking about snacks. He's like, what if it's not a pod? I don't even know what that means.
No, I've never been in a pod. I'm just so excited to see one if there is one.
There might be one.
Pod.
Wait, where are we going?
I know what you're thinking, Shay! It's raining and I'm not prepared.
It stopped raining.
Yeah, but it was raining 10 minutes ago when I planned this bit. Well, don't worry. We now have Shane Dawson. Oh my God,
Yeah, I'm already wearing a hoodie.
So fun though. Let's get to first class.
Don't worry, there's more!
Wait, look at the merch table.
Shane, are those the ones that are available at www.amazon.com/Shane Dawson?
Well, you forgot a W.
Gary, what makes you
You showcase that one.
Oh.
We're gonna throw you in something old school, little Shanae sweater.
Wait, can I put this on over my clothes? Damn it.
Wait, have these been washed yet?
Did that look like birth?
And then this is the one with my underwear on it. Wait, you look cute. Oh my god.
Are you serious? I thought I was gonna make a joke like, does that look really big? Bigger than normal?
That's a book. Okay, everybody has their merch. Everybody's ready for the trip. I have rolls for everybody. Because this is our first travel vlog series, I'm gonna need you to throw in some Casey's. I'm gonna need some B-roll. I'm gonna need some slow motion. I'm gonna need some dubsteppy music, royalty free. I'm gonna need some like a drone once in a while.
That's just gonna be him throwing the camera up in the air and slowing it down.
Your hat has a gay flag on it. So that's your role. Whenever you feel inspired, you just start doing the Casey.
Sure. Catch it.
Garrett, carry my pills. Okay, Morgan, take care of the baby.
Okay.
That's my child.
I want you to travel with the baby and see if you can do it. Because you're gonna be our nanny.
I already know my job.
What?
Reviewing the pod.
We're in the air. I got my own doors. This is caviar. It's so cozy.
Car's on its way, we're gonna roll out, and we're gonna go to an undisclosed location.
Are we going to the Bahamas?
I'm keeping this on if we go to the beach.
Alright, let's go! Casey?
Don't show my G-Wagon key.
Why not?
I don't want to flex.
Okay. Cut to like every video you've ever made.
This is gonna be slow-mo, everybody ready?
Why are they all deflated?
We have to read a comment.
There's a hill. Tyler, are you ready for your first travel experience?
He's like, I've traveled all around the world.
Alright, squad, roll in.
You can just say, let's go, or get in the Uber.
Roll in.
How should we get in? How did you want us?
I literally don't know how to get in. Wait, Shane, I forgot my phone. I forgot my phone.
Do it, Casey.
I'll be.
Here, I'm coming.
Hey, we're gonna be late. Get me sliding across the hood of the car.
Okay. Literally broken.
Put in the entry code. 1, 2, 3. Wait, watch me somersault to my phone.
No,
I'm winded.
Did you find it?
Yeah. Cool. Let's go.
Jesus Christ.
What the hell, stick? We are so unfit.
You know who's fit? Casey.
I might have broken the pink G.
Why?
I can't focus on that, we're traveling.
I was curious what the Gucci gang was. The definition here says Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. Now I know. There's a gif. I must be the leader of the Gucci gang.
I need friends my age.
Okay, we're almost to the airport. Do you guys want to guess where we're going?
Vegas.
Hope to breakfast.
Oh, my vote's on breakfast. Diagon Alley? Are we going to Universal Orlando? Please, say it. What'd you say?
Say a Harry Potter thing.
Diagon Alley.
I'm trying to think. Bora Bora would be fun.
Are you taking us to Bora Bora? Where is that?
I didn't bring a neck pillow for that.
I didn't bring a body for that. Alright, I'm gonna give you one hint. The slogan for where we're going fits us perfectly.
Not haunted. I don't want to do a haunted video.
See you at the airport.
We're going to New York?
Go in the car. See you there.
Wait, where are we going? Are you okay?
No. Hitting a bomb is hard.
The big moment. Let's go. My ass is wet. I don't know why.
Wait, Morgan and I are gonna get left behind, and then it's gonna be like Home Alone 2. We'll go back home and set traps. Wait, do you have Shane's card? Because otherwise we're gonna starve to death.
Casey's never done any of this.
Alright, board's in 20 minutes. So we're running late. Let's go.
Oh my gosh.
Hi, we're the Gucci gang. Do we have to go through security?
I don't see your slides.
Check Morgan.
Stole mine.
Do I have to find that maybe a pod? I'm not gonna do that.
Wait,
You brought the other one?
are you saving that for later?
I'm not buying 2 more pods.
I think it's a girl.
I'm waiting, Karen.
Nice baby in the bag.
Okay, because you women took so long to make babies.
I'm so excited that he has a friend.
No, I know. I literally brought the baby for Tyler to have a friend.
I don't know when the joke ends or if it's not a joke anymore. Okay, we only have 5 minutes for you guys to fill up on food.
I'm gonna need a little more time than that. No, I can manage.
And go!
How about some sparkling water? How about that? Oh wait, are those the coconut chips? I love wasabi.
That's so good.
Should we get smoothies?
No, I'm not looking to fill up my sugar count yet.
Oh my god.
We have 3 minutes.
I'm looking for sparkling water.
Just get the donuts and go there.
We should get cards to send to our family.
Let's get notebooks.
Organize our thoughts.
Okay, my treat. Everyone pick out a notebook.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
Dad's popping off?
I'm popping off. Let's do it.
Oh my god, I love to gather my notes.
Shane is literally on the plane. He's found a new squad.
You guys are getting notebooks?
This one is 23.
They got a notebook, Shane. I'm getting the whole squad notebooks.
Oh my god.
What the hell is this?
Don't pick out a moleskin.
Andrew, which moleskin are you gonna get?
I don't think I'm getting one.
I don't think so either. I think they're all ugly. Two more.
Go to the left. Oh yeah.
That's so weird that that's all my current moves.
Wait, that's squad.
Oh my god, you're finally gonna do a music video. Yeah, I can.
Oh my god.
We all died right after this. This is the last video we ever made. Garrett and Morgan, you guys are here. Me and you.
Oh, that's perfect.
Why do I sit next to Garrett? I want to sit next to Andrew.
So I gotta get sit next to my best friend.
Garrett!
Hey, I gotta pass out the treats. Little treats. I know.
Okay, we haven't introduced the first class section yet.
For our first class tour, should we put on our Gucci slides?
Yeah. Oh my god, where are my slides?
I have none.
Oh, thank God.
Hello, my name is Morgan. I'll be your flight attendant for this evening.
Oh my god, I was like, that's so weird. My sister's name's Morgan.
I'm sweating.
You're sweating really bad. Oh no! Oh my god. A little close.
Here's your badge.
Oh. That's a good feeling. I want to die in my slides.
With the wind. I forgot about the notebooks. Isn't that exciting?
Yes.
We can write down our thoughts and scribble pictures.
Right.
I'm gonna hook you up with a pen.
Thank you.
You should make like a burn book and call it the tea book, and you can write about all your favorite people in it.
Oh my god, Tyler has his own seat. And Benjamin will be there.
All right. So when are we taking our photos?
I want to.
Yeah, I need a photo with Tyler and my Gucci slides, writing in my book.
What did I do? Okay guys, I have something really serious to talk about. So, you know I have plane anxiety, and it's getting worse literally every time I get on a plane. To a point where I start crying, hyperventilating, think I'm gonna die, want to jump out the window. It's really, really bad.
You can do what my mom does.
What?
Pop a pill.
Well, so I asked the doctor, and he prescribed me this for planes, but I'm really scared. I've never taken anything like this.
Can we all have one?
No! Come on!
What are we, Elijah Daniel?
I'm high and I'm popping, I'm on cloud 9.
I'm scared of flying too.
No. Yes, off camera. But I'm really scared. It's a Xanax, which is like a thing, right? That's like little Xan, like a big Xan.
People die.
Oh my god. My rap name would be Big Mom. I like grocery stores and picking up my kids. Literally, you were the one who said.
Should I take one?
Oh my.
Wait, I've never done drugs.
It's doctor prescribed.
It's prescribed. You're okay. Pop the pill.
What's it supposed to do to you?
I don't know.
Can I get you guys some Benedict?
I can't take alcohol with this, right?
No, you can.
Yeah.
With a Xanax?
I've never done it yet.
You know what? I'll do a Diet Coke with vodka.
Guys,
Can I have apple juice?
half of the.
I can drink on it? That sounds crazy.
You're okay.
Am I gonna die?
No, you're good.
I'm good.
Do it. What am I? Sorry.
High in the clouds, sitting first class.
You're supposed to take 4 of them, right?
Oh, 8 actually.
Okay, good. I took 10.
Does this make you feel better?
You look like crazy lesbians. Okay, I just googled Xanax, and it said can cause paranoid or suicidal thoughts. Too late. And then it says if combined with alcohol can cause slow breathing and possibly death.
Jane, that's just like your mind always. Don't worry.
You took half a pill, but I'll take notes.
Oh no.
It literally says I can die. I'm freaking.
I'll take 10.
You're not gonna die. You're not gonna die. Don't worry.
You die. We'll all be really, really, really sad.
I'm ready.
Make sure your mask is secure before helping others. When directed, pull the task to remove including e-cigarettes is never allowed on the aircraft.
Okay. calling this my Xanax cam.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna keep you guys posted on my Xanax journey. I'm really nervous. I'm scared. I've never done this before.
I will say you need it though. Like, you literally have panic attacks every time we fly, to the point where I was like, I'm not flying with you anymore unless you get something.
Well, let's see what happens. I'll keep you guys posted. I think we're taking off. We're taking off. We're taking off.
Do you feel calmer than usual?
I think I'm okay. I don't think I'm that scared. I don't
You
think.
totally feel one bump of turbulence.
No, I think I'm fine. I think I'm fine. I think I'm fine. I think I'm fine. I think I'm fine.
Oh my god. It's all happening.
Update. I'm still having a panic attack, but because of the drug I took, now I can't feel it, but I know it's happening. It's almost like being in a mental prison. So, this is fun. Update. I just realized how much Pluto looks like Gary. Oh, what's gonna happen now? Oh, that is Gary.
my squad.
This sucks. Okay,
See that on the screen? That's what I look like.
okay, oh, I used to work it on the border, sure.
Okay, so this is the review of the Delta something. As you can see, it's very spacious. The seat goes all the way down. Now the bathroom specifically is pretty spacious. Now coming to you from the ground of the bathroom, it smells exquisite in here, which I would say, oh my god, I'm leaving the bathroom. Overall, I would say that this is a flight I would definitely splurge for. I think it's an experience that makes you feel as though you're not in the air, yet having a luxurious day on your couch, which is my favorite type of day. And the movie selection is bomb.
Final update. I fell asleep. I don't remember anything. Thank you.
Is that your baby?
I guess so.
Okay, squad. We survived. Some of us don't know where we are right now.
Wait, we're first class. I don't want to walk.
Yeah, I thought this was for us.
Yeah, so let's get on.
I'm not supposed to be operating heavy machinery right now, so you can drive.
Oh my god, do you remember last time?
And so does Tyler.
Okay, so we're gonna go pee, but then for what we're gonna be doing this week.
What state are we in?
Oh, that's right. Oh my god, did I not even tell you where we're going?
I don't even know. Where is this? What state are we in?
You know what I like to do? I like to make myself sneeze. Because it feels like a tiny orgasm.
Shane, stop it. Ew, there's snot all over your screen. That is so gross. I'm gonna write in my notebook about how that made me feel.